do it without laughing.
You got the proper giggles. Hello everyone, I've got my daughter with me today and we are hopefully going to mod, RGB mod this Master System 2.
I have no clue what I'm doing.
First thing we're going to have to do is get it apart. So what we got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. You want to take them out?
No.
You want me to take them out?
Yeah.
I'm going to make you do some soldering now.
What does that mean?
What's soldering?
Cutting things?
No, melting metal.
Ooh, that
And
sounds gross.
no, it'll be fine. You'll be alright. Let's just get this apart.
Shush.
Ignoring the bin lorries outside. Hopefully they'll disappear in a minute.
It smells like bin out there.
Right.
It does, I can smell it.
Right. So what have we got? There's 4 screws. Which one hasn't come out? I'm not taking the middle one out of that.
Oh my god, why does it smell like that? It smells like bin. Go away.
Right.
Lovely.
So there we go.
By the way, I've never seen one of these in my whole entire life.
No, I've never opened one of these either, but we got another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. You can have a go, take some of them out.
Teach me, because I have no idea how to get
Right,
out
so
of
just put the
screw.
screwdriver on there and turn it left. I'll get them loose for you.
Thanks. Feels like I have a giant plaster on my throat.
What, because of the mic?
Yeah, it feels like, I don't know.
Right, so you need to finish undoing them now. So get that one first. Have to lean over.
Well, oh, sorry. Left.
That way.
Oh, I didn't know that was left, sorry.
Oh, I need to turn the lights off. Give me a sec.
What do I do now? It's out.
Don't know. Is it out?
I don't know. I'm just gonna do another one because yeah. Do we need that one to be out?
Yeah,
Did
yeah.
it wrong?
Yeah, that one's out enough. Keep going. It'll come out by itself. Just keep going. There you go. That one's done. Next one.
Glad I know my lefts and rights now. Well, I write with my right hand, so.
No, you keep going with the other one.
This one?
Oh no, it might be out. Let's have a look. There you go. Good stuff. Getting the hang of it.
Why is it?
Not that one. The one in
Why?
front of it.
Oh, that sucks. Why the hell is it not moving?
It is moving. Put some pressure down on the top, look. Press down on the top.
Alright, you do that one.
You want me to do that one?
The big one is still there.
It's typical, the bin lorries kind of hang about. Right.
If you cut yourself, I don't have any plasters.
I'll try not to cut myself. Just take these screws out. So this was working before we opened it up, so hopefully when we finished it's still working. Right, there we go.
Whoa.
Right, so the bit we have to take out is this bit, and then all of this stuff goes together and sits on there. But I'm not entirely sure of how it all goes. Does that screw have to come out?
If you don't like and subscribe, or I'll chase you down.
Like and subscribe.
I'm evil. What the hell is this thing? It's just in my way.
Yeah, I know, it's my hot air. It's not designed for 2 people to be working on. one thing, but you get too many school holidays, so. Right, should come out now, unless I'm missing more screws.
I'm gonna take those things out. What are they?
No, what?
The orange weird things.
They're capacitors, but I think there's another screw
They look a bit like
in
squished eaten jelly beans. Am I funny?
here. Funny looking.
I'm gonna chase you down in a minute.
There we go.
Oh, click the like button. We work really hard. Well, he does. This is my first time being here.
And the back plate can come off.
Oh, that blinded me.
So the bit we need to remove, this RF bit, and if I'm not mistaken, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits holding that in. We're going to have to put some solder down on there. Can you open that drawer? We need flux.
What is that? That smells. Just
That's
saying.
flux.
Ugh.
We'll flux that one, that one, that one, and that one. Here's the soldering iron. All I want you to do is hold it like that, not on the metal bit.
Oh.
Put it where it's got to go. It's only a little bit of smoke, it's fine. And then just melt some of that into there.
What if I burn myself?
You won't burn yourself, I'm watching. So hold that one. You won't hurt yourself, come on.
I'm scared. Okay, what do I do?
Right. So, hold it properly. Hold it like it's a pen. And then you need to get this. So hold that on that metal bit, yeah. Go
That
on.
thing?
Yeah, just hold it on there, press down. Keep it there. Move it around a little bit. There you go, perfect. And then same with these three. So hold it on that one. Yeah, perfect. This one. Hold it on there. Right, next one. And this one. Perfect. Good. Right, get out of my way. I'll do the next bit.
Why don't you have a hair straightener? I need one.
I was fixing them.
I don't really have one.
So what I need to try and do now, get rid of all of that solder.
I'm scared of this thing.
What thing?
This thing.
This is easier said than done.
That's why you should go and subscribe. I'm just going to say that.
Yeah, keep doing it. Right, that one isn't really clearing up, so let's try another one. Right, that one's looking clear. I just keep going until all of the solder disappears. Right, that one's almost clear. God, loads of solder. You see it just being sucked up. You not see it going silver? That's all the solder coming off.
Well, what was the point of putting it on there then?
Because what happens is the solder that they put on it when they make it is a different type of solder and it's harder to get rid of. The solder we've put on there has meant that we use a lower temperature. It's meant to make it easier to get off, but I don't know if that's actually the case. Right, and come back round to these ones because these aren't empty yet.
I thought this was going to be like very weird and boring, but it's actually kind of fun.
Good.
Ooh, scary. Especially when you fling those things at me.
So these three have got to come off as well. Let's see if I can just get that off without having to mess around too much with the there we go.
Smells like vinegar.
Smells like vinegar?
It's
Right.
a mix of vinegar and like a weird alcohol smell.
Can you go in that drawer? I need some cotton buds, please. If you want people to hear you, you're going to have to speak up a bit.
Well, I'm quiet.
You're bloody not at home. In that same drawer, there's a little bag of white cloths.
This little bag of white cloths.
Yeah, you just get me one of those out, please.
One.
Yeah,
This.
yeah. Perfect.
There you go.
Great little helper. I've never done this before, so I don't actually know if we're doing anything right at all. Everyone makes it look easy. Now I believe we have to twist that one, twist that one, twist that one. Let's try and bosh. Oh, that came out lovely. Good job. Right, so that's that out of the way now. There we go, nice and clean. You see straight through those holes and no RF modulator. Right, so I've never played with this before, so what I think happens is, this is a mod bit.
Oh, so I'm playing with that.
It's a little bit tricky. You see these have got a pointy bit on? So the pointy bit has to go in there. So I'll tell you what, if I hold them, you get the little soldering iron, that top drawer in there, you see some little grey things that are like clamps.
How do you, okay, I don't know what a clamp is. This?
Yeah, so I'll get 2 of them. So we need to get these little pins soldered in. Do you want me to show you roughly what we're doing?
Yeah.
So I'm going to use a little soldering iron for this one because it should be easier. We just heat that up. That one's definitely not straight. Do you want me to do this bit because it's a bit fiddly, or do you want to have a go?
You do it.
Sure?
Yep.
They look fairly straight. And now if I put that in there, you can do the next bit. Right, let's just, God, it's a bit fiddly. See what happens when you put the soldering iron on there, it starts heating up the whole board.
Wow, that was pretty satisfying, just saying.
It's quite satisfying when it goes right, yeah. These don't do anything, they're just to keep it in the board. And hopefully we'll have them straight enough that they will then slot into there. Nope, wrong way around. Oh yeah, high five. Good job.
Ow.
Lovely. Right, so now this one goes like that. There's a little bit of trickiness to it, but I think you can do it. So with the big soldering iron again, if I just show you on this one, if you just hold it on there, you see where I'm holding it?
Yep.
And then try not to move that. What will happen is that'll heat up, should mold into place, yeah.
Lovely.
And we can put loads of solder down there. This should then hold it in. Do you want me to do it? I think you can do it. I think you can do it. So hold the soldering iron on that metal one there. And
Okay.
go on then. You'll have to lean over and then I'll give you solder. So hold it on there. Ready? Keep it there. Move it away. We are
Amazing.
in place.
Oh.
Same again on that one there. That one's a little bit tricky, so what you might have to do is hold it like that. Gotta let it heat up first. Can't just go. Right, move the soldering iron back. Well, beautiful. Absolutely perfect. Put that one back in there.
It's really fun to just let the smoke.
Good stuff. And that holds everything into place, you see. We need to do these as well. These ones are a bit small. Do you want me to go ahead and do them?
Yeah, I don't mind.
Give it a little bit of solder. Might be easier to do this under the microscope. Does that look satisfying on TV?
Yep.
What should people do?
Like and subscribe. And also comment, I don't know, your favourite thing, I don't know.
What, favourite thing about the video or just favourite thing?
Favourite thing about the video? Is
You-
it me being funny?
You just wanted to say you, didn't you?
No. But you should definitely like and subscribe. Otherwise,
Otherwise what?
how screaming that is.
There we go. How satisfying is that then?
We are slaying at this.
I've got a little brush around here somewhere. There we go.
I want to brush it.
Go on then.
Dangerous.
Just give it a good
Where?
scrub on the top there.
Where?
All of this just needs cleaning.
I'm scared. Here.
So, yeah. You're not going to hurt it, I promise. And then press that down. No, give it a scrub. Yeah, proper scrub. And then get some more alcohol on it. That's it. And scrub.
There, the exact same place.
Yeah, just keep cleaning it. Just clean it proper.
Everywhere, like all over it.
Yeah, scrub. Go
I
on.
don't know if I'm doing the right thing or not.
Just scrub.
I feel like I'm painting. Really.
You feel like you what? Painting?
Painting aggressively.
Yeah, that's what you're doing effectively.
I'm not putting my eyes in there.
Right, okay. Now, you see that white thing here?
Mhm.
Right, soak that like that and then wipe it all over. Get rough with it.
Will I die
Yeah.
if I touch this?
No, you're fine.
There.
Yeah. See, give it a good scrub.
Oh, feels like nail polish remover.
It is nail, well, it's not quite nail polish remover, but it's the same thing. Now have a look on the screen how clean that's come up, look.
Dirty.
Let's have a look.
It looked dirty, mate.
There you go, that'll do. Hold on, are we missing one? See that one there?
Oh.
Just above the G. It needs some more solder on it. Do you think you can do it?
My thumb. Yeah, kind of.
Right, okay, stop cleaning it then, because you've got to put more solder in it. There's a little iron. Go on, I'll bring your solder in. You just hold the...
That thing?
Yeah, so hold it on there.
Okay.
Right, move it away. Perfect. What about this one just above the CS? See it?
CS.
And that'll do it. Beautiful. Good job. Right, hang that one back up there.
There? What in the world? I don't know what this is. I like sitting here.
Well, we've got to wire it up now.
What does that mean?
The hard bit.
I like a challenge.
Right, so we need to prepare some wire. Come out the way then.
Oh my gosh.
So looking at that picture, can you have a guess at how many wires we need?
21.
No. So we need 5 volts, A, CS sync, CV, R, G and B, I believe. We need to know where they're going from and where they're going to. So just above here, there's 3 points there, and then that one there. Let's just make sure we know exactly what we're doing.
We should totally subscribe, guys. Otherwise, I'm going to sue you.
Right.
Okay, I won't sue anyone.
So I reckon, how many did we need? 7?
I'm so weird.
It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I reckon if we get 7 sort of similar size, there's 1.
Oh, that hurt my ear.
Right, can you chop that the same length, please? Get them. You see where the end of that one is? Just chop in between my fingers.
There.
Yeah, open it.
Oops.
Sit. Go. No. Go on. No, open up. Right, try it that way. No, not all the way back. There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
Snip. Perfect. There's 2.
Fun.
Sit. Snip. 4. 3 more. Go on.
Sorry.
Come on, pay attention. I'm not paying you to mess around.
You're paying me?
No, not unless you do a really good job. And 1 more, I think. That's it. So I need to strip all the ends off. Easier said than done. So if I get them in the difficult bits and then tell you where they need to go on there and show you that, what do you reckon? Do you reckon you'd be alright with that?
Yeah.
Right, I'm just going to put some little bit of solder in there.
Is solder basically like a metal melter?
Yeah, so you can melt it with heat and then when it dries again, it goes back to metal.
It smells funny, but it's fun.
It does stink. So we've got 3 in place.
There was like smoke in my face. Oh, it went up my nose.
This is lovely to work with, this wire. 8, so where's that cap? Yep, top of that resistor there. Is that long enough? I think it might be. I probably should have, because I haven't got wire strippers, I should probably have done this before. But we'll just try and take the ends off without breaking anything.
You've already taken the ends off, haven't
Oh,
you?
that one's come off, so we'll put that one back on. Better for it to come off now than come off later. Right, so resistor 9, this one is called 5 volts.
I know what 5 volts means.
So 5 volts is there, you see it?
No, because your hand's in my way.
You see where it says 5V in really small writing there?
Yeah.
So what we need to do is, you need that. If I hold that, let me just chop that back a little bit. There you go. So if I hold that over the top there, and you just touch that solder. Yep. Yep, there you go.
Oh, sorry.
That's it. Job done. We need to try and keep it neat though, although I'm sure they can forgive us for not being neat on the first one.
Oh
Be
my
careful
god,
with
that
that.
hit me.
Be careful with it.
It's not my fault I dropped it. I'm never coming here again. Worst shop ever.
Nah, it's the worst that's going to happen. Do you want me you want me to put these in place or do you want to do it?
I'll do it.
You want to do it?
But I should not want leggings.
Right, so resistor 28 is A. So this one needs to go to A, which is just next to that 5 volt. Your eyes are better than mine, so perfect. That's it. What you need to do?
I hate this thing. Really
What, the iron?
Snap it in half.
Right, just be careful with it. I'll get the next one lined up. So C9 is CV. So this one might be a bit tricky for you.
Try not to die like I did a minute ago.
CV.
Yep.
Tell you what, should we do it in order? That might. No, let's make it difficult for you. So CV is not the next one, but the one next to it. See it? Lovely. And then what have we got left? We got RG and B here. This one should be CS. So you need to go in between now. I'm trying not to burn me with my own soldering iron, please. There you go.
Where? I can't see anything. Here.
Yep. Press down a little bit. No, I need to keep that in place. Go on. Yep, let go. Good job. Right, now we got RGB. Do you know what RGB stands for?
No.
No?
No.
What do you think it might stand for?
Read before. I don't know. RGB means RGB.
Red, green, blue.
Oh.
So if we go R to start with. Hold on. No, it's not you, it's me. Go on.
You scared me. I know. Oh, there.
Yeah, that's it. Good job.
And I didn't burn myself this time.
Green should be next to it. There you go. No, hold on. Yeah, no, lift up. There you go. Beautiful. And it's not the neatest job. Let's be honest, but it's our first one, so. And blue. That's it.
Okay, you take this from me before I burn myself
Yeah,
again.
I'll put that away. Right, that was funny.
It was not funny. It
And
really
that,
hurt.
it does hurt. Are you alright?
No, I'm not.
You've got a war wound now.
Will it stay there forever?
Huh?
Will it stay there forever?
You might have a little scar, yeah?
Yeah, guys,
So
be
just
careful
finish
with
that.
soldering irons and don't drop it.
Which way around this go, Ellie? That way. There we go.
Don't even need me gorgeous, perfect placing. I really want another high five.
Want another high five?
Yeah,
Go on,
'cause I
then.
burnt myself.
You want a high five for burning yourself?
Look at it now.
Oh yeah, good one. These are meant to be magnetic. Doesn't look very magnetic to me. See if I can magnetize it. There we go.
Ignore the messy area. I'll try and clean it up without burning myself. Are these hot?
Not anymore.
Still, I ain't touching it with my fingers.
Nah, it should be fine.
You know those like silver like ribbon weird things? I'm the best helper ever.
Should have
Oh, yes.
3 more screws.
I feel so powerful with these in my hands. I'm just like,
Right, and look at that.
lovely.
That is beautiful. So no, sometimes with different types of mods, you have to cut that. And it's a bit of a pain, really. We don't like cutting it. So that, in theory, I'm just going to get it set up and plugged in, and we should be able to test it.
Basically, the thing is, don't burn yourself. Be careful and don't drop the soldering iron. If you have one. I've never done this before and it hurts. You should definitely go like, and while you're at it, you might as well subscribe. right next to each other. I'm the best promoter ever. I should be on TV. I should be in everyone else's like videos. Is it weird that I have a Christmas song stuck in my head?
And we'll give it a test. That's all it was. Sounds right. Image is right. Bada bing, bada boom. Now you can all just sit here and watch me play Alex the Kid in Miracle World for the next 3 hours. No, I'm joking. Oh man, that image is absolutely stunning though. Oh wow. Alright, this console's not for sale, I'm keeping it. It's a lie, I'm not keeping it. Still some flickering, I don't know if that's the TV or the mod.
Like, subscribe, make that big red button grey. Is it grey or is it? I don't know.
Good job, mate. Nice one.
And don't ban yourself.
See you later.